Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with two differentiable functions, f, x, and g, x. First, write h, x equals f, x, g, x, and keep each factor clearly parenthesized so you don't lose signs. Then find f, x, and g, x. Do this now because the product rule builds directly on them. Once done, you're ready to apply the formula. h, x equals f, x, g, x plus f, x, g, x. Make sure to simplify algebraically, only after substitution, to avoid mistakes. Now apply the product rule step by step. Substitute your computed derivatives into h, x equals f, x, g, x plus f, x, g, x. Multiply terms out gently. If f or g include quotients or trig, simplify each product before adding. Once the sums are formed, combine like terms and factor common elements to make the derivative cleaner. Make sure to track minus signs and parentheses during distribution. This is where most sign errors appear. If factors cancel, finish by simplifying your derivative into the most useful form, expanded or factored, depending on the problem. You should check your work by plugging a specific x value into the original derivative expression and your result to confirm they match. If they don't, retrace steps. Reevaluate f, x, and g, x, check parentheses and minus signs, and confirm you didn't drop a factor. One troubleshooting tip: rederive each factor separately. Many errors vanish when you isolate the source.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.